Jeff. Jeff. So where did you hit, Wago? These three?
I hit these three, yeah, because I
Here. There. It made a tire.
Yeah.
Look at there.
Yeah, that was a
We
good
get it.
You want me to get that marker?
Gotta do main, manual, home. I couldn't see where I hit it.
You hit his beard a couple times.
Hit twice right there. 1, 2, 3. He's serious.
Missed the whole target.
Just leave it. Oh, okay. That's, go ahead. You can bring it in.
I'm trying to see
I'll
where
shoot
I
in a
hit.
different area. I'm gonna shoot his hand. Yeah, there, there, and there.
I was shooting at that.
He ain't going nowhere.
What was you aiming at?
His hand.
Yeah, you wore it out.
Well, I was trying to hit there, but
All right, you should know.
shoot, I was gonna get you on video. Shoot.
I'm done.
Huh?
I'm done. I can't shoot that far.
Yeah, I don't believe that.
You just hit. Oh,
I was
okay.
aiming at that.
The turbine. The turbine knocks.
I mean, I'm in a league of my own.
It is operation same way. Everything's just.
Come on, John, fire one.
Huh?
Shoot one.
I can't far with this thing.
Yeah, scoot it in.
I doubt it.
You can put it on 2 foot.
I know it.
Problem is, you're shooting through the same holes.
That's right.
Y'all want one of them? What are you shooting? I got some.
I'm good.
I'll give you some.
He says I'll give you some.
Well, I mean, I'll give you a handful. Here's your son.
I know that. Bare knuckle.
Just don't get too high.
Too high?
Yeah, hit too high, hit that thing up there.
Oh, I ain't.
It's 40 foot too far for you. You did
I
good.
hit him twice.
You did good. Yeah. Yeah.
Take it out there to 50.
Really?
Yeah.
You did 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's pretty good,
I
boy.
was
50
aiming
foot.
right there.
50 foot, that's pretty good.
Like it?
That was
John's
at
got
50
tactical
feet.
gloves.
I know it. 50 feet. Yeah, John, he's serious.
Oh yeah. He's an assassin.
Get serious right here now.
All right.
Dial this thing in.
What are we gonna do? The drill?
Nah, you do whatever you want to do.
Oh,
You want to
okay.
do the drill?
No, let's do this right here.
Yeah. Just, I mean, you gotta get accurate with this now.
Where did I do it?
Right there.
Probably not.
Aiming right here. Got here, here, and here.
That little small gun is terrible.
Well, I'm leaving Walker Gun Range, and as you saw in the video, we had a good time. It was a good 30 minutes. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and help me out to get my subscribers up, please. Thank you.